Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 3. We will perform Legends Malin Kundang. And my name is Yusef Hadila as narrator and Malin's wife.
My name is Yusri Aura as Malin's mother.
My name is Huzairi and I am as merchant.
My name is Ilham Akbar as Malin Kundang.
My name is Riana and I am as villager.
Lone age in a small peasant village in West Sumatra. Even a poor widow with her only son Malin Kundang.
Malin, even though we are poor, I want you to grow up to be a good and the father's son.
Yes, mother. I promise I will make you proud on that.
One day, a wealthy merchant with a big ship arrived.
Young man, would you like to stay with me? In the foreign land, there are many kinds of existence.
Of course, here I will go.
If that is your choice, then go. But please do not forget me, my son.
Years later, Malin became a rich merchant and married a noble woman. One day, he received a child in his hometown.
Look, a big ship is entered. That's Malin Kundang.
My husband, is the poor village where you came from?
Malin, my son, you finally come home.
Old woman, I don't know you. Don't claim to be my mother.
How could you say such a thing? Malin, this is your mother. Do not be ungrateful.
Heartbroken, the mother prayed to God.
Oh good, if her child is my ungrateful son, punish him.
Suddenly, a great storm came. Malin's ship was destroyed, and his body turned into stone. My husband, what is happening to you?
It is the cause of a matter. Was here first in her.
And so ends the story of Malin Kundang, who was turned into stone because he disobeyed his mother. This legend teaches us to always respect and honor our parents.